Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has been fully unveiled. According to the latest preliminary news data, the new upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra gets the highest memory, fastest charging in the timeline, a new improved camera, but no built-in magnets, and its price has been revealed. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is preparing to unveil its flagship Galaxy S26 series at the Galaxy Unpacked event on February 25th. With about 2 weeks to go until the unveiling, a major leak from WinFuture reveals nearly all the line's specifications. There won't be any radical changes in terms of appearance compared to the Galaxy S25. All Galaxy S26 models will receive a redesigned camera module, with an oval protrusion beneath the sensors. The new Ultra model will have a slightly more rounded body. Otherwise, the design will remain the same. WinFuture has revealed the full phone specifications and pricing for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship. The smartphone, at least the European version, will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy chipset. The device will be available with 12 and 16 GB of RAM, and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. The main camera module will feature an improved 200-megapixel sensor with an f1.4 aperture lens, versus f1.7 on its predecessor. This will allow the camera to capture significantly more light, improving night photography. There will also be a 50-megapixel module, with 5x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel module, with 3x optical zoom. The ultra-wide-angle module will feature a 50-megapixel camera sensor. The new upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 6.9-inch display with a resolution of 1320 by 1440 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and Gorilla Glass Armor 2 protection. The battery capacity will remain at 5000 mAh, and the maximum wired charging power will be 60 watts. The smartphone's dimensions will be 163.6 by 78.1 by 7.9 mm, and it weighs 214 grams. The smartphone will be available in black, white, blue and purple color shades. Like the smaller versions, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will not feature magnetic charging, similar to MagSafe. As for the pricing details, the cost in Europe starts at €1470. The official launch of the entire lineup is scheduled for February 25th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.